Here are 5 reasons why your Amazon influencer shoppable videos could be getting rejected from being posted to your storefront. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lauren, and I've been a part of the influencer program for quite a few months now. So I'm excited to go over these 5 reasons why your videos might be getting rejected. But first, I want to let you know about the resources we have down in the description for you. First is an Amazon influencer support group where we have hundreds of other influencers all working and helping each other together to help grow with the Amazon influencer program. And we also have a free downloadable success guide, so you can get both of those in the description below. So now that we've covered that, let's go ahead and jump into the first reason why your videos are getting rejected. The first reason why your videos are getting rejected is because you're sharing personal information. Now, this can come in many different forms. One of my videos that got rejected for this reason was because I was unboxing. It was actually a rug and it was covered in clear plastic, but I didn't catch that on the plastic there was a shipping label, and on that shipping label obviously has your address where you've received products, which is a form of personal information. And even though the video was pretty far away, like you'd have to really zoom in, and even if you did then, I'm not sure with the quality zoomed in that far, you'd be able to see my address. But because it was there, Amazon detected it and rejected my video. So it could come in the form of a shipping label, it could come in the form of a street name or a house number, a license plate, something of the sorts like that, where you either give away like your location or personal information. So just pay attention to that with the products you're making videos with and where you're making the videos as well. Reason number 2 your videos could be getting rejected is because you might be sharing medical advice. Now, even though this might not be your direct intent to do so, if you are making a review and you suggest that something is healthy or healthier or better for you or more natural, things of those sorts could be a reason for Amazon to reject your video for providing medical advice. The third reason your videos could be getting rejected is because you may be mentioning the price or sales information. One thing I make sure never to do in my videos is mention price or if the product is on sale, because these things can change. Sales can go away, prices can go up or down, so make sure not to include any of that information spoken in your video. The fourth reason your videos could be getting rejected actually surprised me a little bit, and it is if you are showing the Amazon logo or Amazon boxes in your review, your video, or your photo. This is against Amazon guidelines, likely due to branding and trademark policies, but make sure not to show any Amazon boxes or logos in your videos. And the fifth and final reason your videos could be getting rejected is because of incorrect product tagging. So whatever you're making a video for, make sure you are tagging that exact product, even the quantity. So another example of this is I have an outdoor set of chairs, and I accidentally tagged the 4 set of the chairs when really I have the 2 set. So even though that product technically was the same product, I tagged the wrong quantity. So make sure you're tagging the right quantity, the correct color of a product, if there's multiple colors available, and make sure you are tagging the exact product and only that product, not a knockoff of it, not a dupe of it, so on and so forth. So there it is, real quick, 5 reasons why your Amazon influencer shoppable videos may be getting rejected. If you remember these 5 things when you're recording your next videos, then you'll be in good shape and hopefully do not have to deal with any rejections of your videos anymore. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Maybe share a reason why one of your videos was rejected, or if you need help figuring out what it might be, go ahead and post that in the comments here and we'd be happy to help. We can also help you over in that support group that I let you know about before. If you want to join that group, the link is down in the description. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you'd like more influencer program tips, and I will see you in the next video.